As a community, we highly depend on the ocean for tourism and fisheries activities.
If we all played our parts, the environment will appreciate that, the ocean will appreciate it.
Who are we? We were born here. We grew up here. We went to school here. This is where we will marry and where our children will grow up. But will we grow old happily? The beautiful environment at our doorstep is no longer what it used to be like. Our coral reefs are dying. Our generation witnesses the collapse of an ancient ecosystem.
Coral reefs are under threats all over the world, and this is done by destructive fishing, overfishing, pollution, and sustainable tourism.
Although coral reefs are world's most biodiverse ecosystems, the world has already lost half of its coral reefs. How much proof do we need before we take action? Coral reefs are the nurseries for fish, and our fish comes from the sea. But there's not much fish anymore. REEFolution comes into action. We act based on science. We educate our community and train new reef rangers. We need a revolution to restore our corals. We are the REEFolution. Together, we regrow and protect our coral reefs. And through restoring coral reefs, we have breeding grounds for fish again.
Coral reefs bounce back to their normal self. This enables the reefs to thrive and attract more fish. And this generally improves the health of the marine ecosystem in Shimoni.
Together, we revolutionize the underwater world. We restore the reefs, re-educate ourselves, reinvigorate our lives. Join our mission. Join the REEFolution.